I want to try new makeup. This is the color story, by the way. Just trust the process. So get ready with me to look stunning on my couch. Nourish her. Haven't actually used the black one. Technically, this is new. So like WTF is up? How's Gemini season? Oh, happy Pride. Duh. Technically this isn't new, but you'll see where I'm going. Stunzers. It's not new either. Failing already. Diffuse those edges into nothing. Now for newness. It was so stunning in store. Ugh. Gag. I mean, that's stunning. Obsessed. Line her out, babe. Yeah, new color. Everything. New to me. Oh my god. Okay. This is still technically new to me. I'm the worst at this, but Wanda Sykes. That's so dumb. This counts as new. Little Miss Pity Pat McGrath. Gag. Look how glossy on it that is. This is new to the market. Stunning. This is also new to me, by the way. Short circuiting. It says no. Pop it. Paparella. Yes. Poor neighbors. If you're not going to say it, I will. Stunning. I've had these forever, but they're just now circulating back online. That'll do. I don't think we care that it's not new. Brown on the bottom. We get it. You're not new here. Orange. Let me just. That's the sauce. I wish I had nails so I could clack them. My Uber Eats driver is in for a treat tonight.